So, I want to be here to talk about the, what happens after the Christmas event. This will be my first Roblox YouTube video on my channel. I didn't really check before making this. Roblox. Did I say YouTube or Roblox? Wait, I'll figure that out later. But I think something that will happen, I know one thing that is definitely probably going to happen around a little while on the next update is either Goob or Scraps are getting optimized. Now, and also, I never knew you could go back here. I can't get hit by oncoming traffic in this. Well, goodbye, I guess. I have one thing to say. I still need I still need more research on Goob to play as Goob. I only need 23%, so goodbye.